yetu yogosebia na gukumenya ituko nabariki baitu beandirite chinga kichons aseng'encho yao asobotengari butari no mubwekano. Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Omo basomu ya umwancho mulgeria geteseni nigi ensoko ase nkwariganirite chiriboti ao echio twanyorire asemesa yeto yoboraria ase Chinsa chiga kingo gakirambia mono asokwendera gutigara emiegeteseni kie ensoko asokwenyorera aliago kokokya aliago gosemia agogosesenia na yogo komanya kongo sabanga ochaka mona inchego ikomoerio asokwemanya chiriboti chumo basorero elitariane nidinamura. Mwaziri wekigancha yense John Mbadi otuguteirare chinkwana buna finance bill yo mwaka chiribubere 2025 nemo nigo eichire obounereria ase chinsemo chiebango otebire chinkwane chio nekyo bolimo na ichi chichire na siasa ekiageranere urigete na kobeka bosio muswado iyo otiamire balio bakoreta siasa aso muswado iyo besokie na koragama mocho ayare ase ebili iyo.
Punitive tax measures. And then I get interested because I'm the one who actually drafted and submitted the finance bill, and I asked myself, which are these punitive tax measures that I'm not aware of? So let me read. And when I start reading, I see nothing. So I am really curious, what is really happening? Because someone says punitive tax bill, and then when you go into the details, they don't highlight those punitive or so-called punitive tax measures. Then I asked myself, is it politicizing the finance bill of 2026, which I don't want to allow to happen? Because again, we must be a responsible nation. If there is something, a problem with the finance bill 2026, let's point it out and then we deal with it. But let us not politicize. And in the spirit of that politicization, and that is what even now made me interested in addressing this matter again. I watched one of the leading lights in this country in terms of opposition politics, former vice president actually, someone who has been a minister in my government for so many years, and has been an MP for 28 years, decides to mislead the public. First, I watched his press conference, I think it was a press conference, and he said, reject the finance bill. So I was waiting to hear why would Kalonzo, of all people, ask for the finance bill to be rejected. Then he says that, that there are hidden provisions in the finance bill, and that one of them is that you will now, there will be no leasehold, that you will be taxed on leasehold property. And Honorable Kalonzo is a lawyer. I wish he could point out in the bill that is before the National Assembly, the clauses that are there, any clause that talks about leasehold land or freehold land and taxation.
Serikali nigegendete gusangiriria birengererio igoro yo muswada we budget yo mwaka uyo no yogocha ebyombe 15 na bitatu kibireo ekyombe kyebiwanda eria kyobonchoreria na ebinde binge bakolire bikaro egasomo cyo Nairobi erio korwe birengereri byabo igoro yo muswada
which has been put. However, I feel that giving Commissioner more power will make the process easier in terms of just removing the limit so that we do not go through that process of going to the level of Treasury. So with that Chair, and just asking the honorable members, if you can also consider other stakeholders' recommendation, which I will not go through in detail, but are on page 23, 24, 25 and 26 is on pay as you earn. We got a promise pay as you earn rates will be looked at. Another one is on VAT odds losses. But we had a challenge with the Kenya Revenue Authority, them wanting to apply the law retrospectively, and applying the law prospectively where it also favors them. So anything that favors them, they look at it from both angles, but anything that favors the taxpayer, they tend to close one eye and look from the other.
Honorable Paul, then Honorable Mboni.
Well, mine is just a straightforward one on section 24. You talked about the 60% minimum. I would just like to know what your proposals to that would be. Is it to allow negotiation, or what is the thinking around that? Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chair. And I think my question will be well answered by KEPSA, and I think KEPSA have seen them there. One of them is on the filing of tax returns from 6 months to 4 months. And I think this proposal is based on understanding that businesses have already automated their accounts.
Oyo kabeire umurai wenso muske Uhuru Kenyatta na oyo kabeire mwaziri Fred Matiang'i bariganire abarai b'ekiama gia Jubilee imeye Kiambu ase chinkwana na emiroberi y'ekiama ekyo ababunge b'ekiama ekyo kura chinsemo ao imeyense nigo baikeranire ase omusabirekano oyo. Nabarai korwa chinsemo cha Western Kenya besokire asokubulia oborogongo rwabo rwegweribaga lyobokonyi b'omurai bwense asobochori obonene buli bosyo weterase obwamate bwokoroisio bomona eserikali ya Kenya kwanza ayanigo esogete imeya Naivasha ekyogekeranitwe na omonogerio monene bwebunge Moses Wetangula umuwaziri Kilifo Paranyana ababunge banda abange korwa chinsemecho.
Lile kubwa lilomleta William Samoei Ruto katika pwani, kubwa zaidi, jambo la ardhi. Ni serikali hii ndio ilosema ya kwa lazima tuwe na mabebenyenye, si lazima tuwe na watu ambao kwamba wako na connections Nairobi, si lazima
numbers and the ability of that position. Joint statement by leaders of the Western region. We, the leaders of the Western region, gathered in a spirit of unity and shared purpose, meeting in Lake Naivasha Resort, have resolved the following. First, we reaffirm our unwavering commitment to the unity of Western region. We stand together as one people, one voice, and one purpose. The diversity of our communities is our strength, and we pledge to set aside political differences in the interest of the greater good of our people. Second, we express our full and unequivocal support for the re-election of His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto. Under his leadership, the Western region has witnessed meaningful engagement and increased resource allocation never witnessed before. We believe that continuity of leadership is essential to safeguarding the gains already made and unlocking the full potential of our region. Third, we call upon the government to expedite and complete all ongoing development projects in the Western region, including infrastructure, health, education, water, and agricultural programs.
Nabasae bakurirwe koba abatoereru na kobiko murembo gesiasa goyatanana kurwase kiburaburu cya gesiasa na rikerio kubwaterana no murayibwense konyora maige burayo buya bwa mambia aya nigo asingereretwe no murayibwense na abarayibe kanisa ekero kyomuyega wa kambuya komo PS Jacob Fikereni imeye county ya Kilifi abarayikura Chinsa mu cya Pwani giro murayibwense ase okoba kubagayanira umuchandwa wa murimo kuba magenderero ande amange
kubwa lilomleta Pwani kubwa zaidi. Serikali hii ndio ilosema ya kwa si lazima tuwe na mabebenyenye, tuwe na watu ambao kwamba wako na connections Nairobi, si lazima tuwe na watu ambao kwamba ndio wenye fedha waende ambao watakuwa na ardhi. Hata yule mkulima ambaye kwamba anasubiri mvua katika eneo la Bamba, hata yule ambaye kwamba alioko Mombasa, yule alioko Kilifi, alioko Kwale, alioko Lamu, kila mmoja ana haki ya kuweza kuwa na hati miliki yake.
Ninawahimiza vijana muendelee kubaki na matumaini, mubaki na nidhamu, mujihusishe katika mambo yenye kujenga wala si mambo ya kubomoa. Kenya tuendelee kusonga mbele, si kwa hofu bali kwa matumaini, si kwa uchungu bali kwa umoja, si kwa kukata tamaa bali kwa azimio jipya la kulijenga taifa lenye haki, amani, fursa na heshima kwa watu wote.
Na nataka nimshukuru Raila Odinga, Mungu amlaze mahali pema peponi, kwa kumtambua huyu kijana na kwa kuniunganisha na huyu kijana. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie mzazi wake na watu wa hapa Bamba, huyu kijana nitamshika mkono, nitamfundisha uongozi. Mimi niko na shule yangu pia kidogo ya kufundisha hawa vijana, na niko na vijana wengi, vijana ambao hawana mipaka ya kabila. Wanajua ya kwamba Kenya ni pana na ni kubwa na itatutosha sisi zote kama wananchi wa taifa letu.
Nomurayibwense Omusike William Ruto otomire ngora yaye yechibesa aso matanga yomusubati inyagusira Rachel Wandeto oyo saganetwe ngosambwa ekero gosasekeria gekagire nga koba gukuire getambukero kya igyo gonchora etatu goseyo gochora etatu yaye bicha yomurayibwense
No one should be subjected to any torture, brutality, attack because of affiliation, association, and stand, either political, either domestic.
Political tolerance. I necessarily don't have to say what you're saying. You may want to be one term, or two term, or a forever term, or a quarter term, or no term, but we have a country to protect, and that is Kenya. We condemn strongly wale watu ambao waliua Rachel Wandeto. Na tunasema tukiwa hapa Kirinyaga ya kwamba Mungu aliye mbinguni awaone na alipishie baba yake na mume wake na watoto wake kisasi kwa kile ambacho wamefanya. Kuua mama aliye na watoto wadogo just because of political intolerance. It is the high time as Kenyans we change this attitude.
Na tuambie polisi hivi, na tuko na wao hapa nimewaona. Aki, if your story that will not leave any stone unturned, I'm following up this case until I see people have been arrested and taken to court at jail. Mimi will not arrest. I'll do that with this team. Hiyo kazi tutafanya.
Wizara y'obuchenu ime kaunti ya Tana River kubwaterana n'ababwatani bande shakirie uburingoria bw'imikano y'amarwira lyakoretwa n'enchara asaba subati bali mulito n'abana bake asukubekemero biryo yokubakonya na kwenekya yabo yaunchuleirie kaunti ya Tana River neyemo yabo iyure n'omubaro munene w'umuchando bw'amarwira lyakoretwa n'enchara asabana.
And also, we have also tried to manage the minor illnesses. So we are handling the morbidities at the outreach level, and also ANC has been also part of the package of the outreaches. So all the pregnant mothers can be accessed through the medical outreaches.
The main challenge with the county has been on nutrition commodities, especially for the OTP, that is for the moderate acute malnourished children. But we believe with support from the county through advocacy sessions, we can get these commodities to support the children.
We have linkage with the main facility whereby any pregnant mother with any complication is referred early. So we have liaised with the main hospital whereby there is an ambulance ready there. Wherever we refer mothers from Gururi, they are received in our hospital and they are attended to.
Igiriria Bwensoko TV oyinoro mweri wechiriboti chumu basorero korengana bona kyatwikire kuri ndigoto gusabanga ayamo na manga mange nande tubwati Asamaiya inseyemo nensa isato asubutuko bwa rero yenda gutigara meya ko TV asu yawo kogokya asomuro beri ore moto ire tariane nidi namura kabe no mubasomuya